In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear the Microsoft Teams cache on your mobile app. Whether you're using an Android or an iOS device, I'll guide you through some simple steps that can help improve your app's performance and resolve any pesky issues. Let's dive into the process for Android devices first. To start, unlock your Android phone and locate the Settings app. This is where we'll access options to manage your installed applications. Once Settings is open, scroll down and tap on Apps. Now, scroll through the list of apps installed on your phone and find Microsoft Teams. Tap on it to open the app settings. Within the Teams app settings, look for an option labeled Storage and Cache. This menu allows you to manage how much space the app is using on your device. Go ahead and tap it. Now, you'll see two options, Clear Data and Clear Cache. What we want here is to tap Clear Cache. This removes temporary files that Microsoft Teams has stored on your device, which might be causing performance issues. Once that's done, exit the settings, return to Teams, and open it like you normally would. The app will automatically rebuild its cache, potentially providing a smoother experience and resolving any bugs you encountered. If clearing the cache didn't resolve your issue, the next step is to try reinstalling the Teams app. First, uninstall Microsoft Teams from your device through the app section we visited earlier. After uninstalling, head over to the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type Microsoft Teams and download the app once again. Once reinstalled, simply sign in with your credentials and you should be good to go. For those of you using an iOS device like an iPhone or iPad, the process is slightly different because iOS doesn't allow direct cache clearing. Instead, we have some workarounds. Start by opening the Teams app and then tap on your profile picture, typically found at the top left corner. In the settings, select Sign Out. Now, make sure the app is closed completely. Swipe up or double tap the home button to ensure it's not running in the background. Once closed, reopen Microsoft Teams and sign in again. This should refresh the app and alleviate any issues you were experiencing. If logging out and back in doesn't work, another method is to reinstall the app similar to Android. Delete the Microsoft Teams app by pressing and holding the app icon until you see the option to remove it. Then, open the App Store, search for Microsoft Teams, and reinstall it. After it's back on your device, sign in with your account details, and hopefully this will resolve the issue. That wraps up our tutorial on how to clear the Microsoft Teams cache on mobile devices. I hope these steps help you enjoy a smoother and more efficient app experience. Thanks for watching.